Hey everyone, this is Ed from Tech Talk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to set up a Windows 11 virtual machine using VirtualBox. Now, don't worry if you don't have it installed. I will also include a link below in the description that shows you step-by-step how to install VirtualBox. It's really simple. And two, I'm going to show you where to download the ISO for free. Everything's free. You don't have to pay for anything. And if any of this helps you, please consider at least hitting that thumbs up button. It would be greatly appreciated. So the first thing you're going to do is copy the Microsoft link that's in the description below and paste it in whatever browser. And then don't click on the first link. So we do not want to create a Windows 11 media. So we want to go right under download Windows 11 disk ISO, and then you're going to select your operating system that you want, which obviously is Windows 11, and then you're going to click download now. Now you're going to get another pop-up which is going to ask you to select your language, and I'm just going to select English United States. You can select any language that you want, and then we're going to hit confirm, and then you're going to go ahead and click the 64 download. And then once it's done downloading, I've already downloaded it, so I'm going to go right ahead to showing you how to use this. Now keep in mind, if you need to install the VirtualBox, click the link below, go ahead and install that, and then come back and watch the rest of the video. Or you can watch the rest of the video and then come back and watch it again. That'll just help me out even more. Alright, like I said, if any of this helps you, please consider hitting like and subscribe if you want. So now what we need to do is open up VirtualBox once it's installed, and we're going to go ahead and click New. And then I'm just going to type Win 11 on here, and then I'm going to go ahead and select the ISO. And I'm going to go to this, click this little folder here, and I will go to the downloads, and then I will double click this, and I will skip the unattended installation. So check the box here, click next, and I'm just going to leave these settings the same. If this is not checked, check the enable EFI, and then hit next. And you can change these, so if you have more room to add more memory and you want to add more memory, that's perfectly fine. I'm just going to leave it the way it is, and I'm going to hit next. Now you can change this, you can give it more, but everything here is going to stay the same. So I'm just going to go ahead and keep the 80 gigabytes. I'm going to hit next, and then I'm going to hit finish. Now once we're done, we're just going to hit start. You're not going to need to change anything else. Go ahead and hit start. So now as soon as this opens up, go ahead and click in here and press enter so that it will engage the CD. If you don't, it's going to go to a boot menu. If you do that, just go ahead and click File and then Close, and then close the machine. Otherwise, you're going to get stuck there. But anyways, go ahead and hit Next here. Pick your language, pick your keyboard. I'm going to keep the US. I'm going to check this agree to everything, and then just make sure Install Windows 11 is installed or toggled. Click next. I don't have a license, so I don't have a product key. Now you can select whichever version you want to do. I'm going to go ahead and do the Windows 11 Pro, just because I want to see if the this is a fine way of checking the sandbox to see if sandbox is included. If it is, maybe we can mess with that. So I'm just going to do Windows 11 Pro. I'm going to hit accept. And then you're just going to go ahead and click next. And then we're going to click install. And this is going to take a little bit of time, so I'm just going to pause the video until it's done. Hey, and that's pretty much it. Yeah, you know, obviously I sped forward a little bit because there's just a bunch of miscellaneous stuff that you have to go through, and it's fairly straightforward. It's pretty simple. If you have any questions or if you have any trouble, please comment below. And if you're curious on how to activate this operating system, let me know. Comment below, and I may be able to assist with that. All right. Anyways, thanks for watching, and please consider hitting like and subscribe.